I'm going to show you how to train your entire body, build strength, and look amazing using only these. I'll walk you through a complete full-body dumbbell workout, one move for every major muscle group. Most people think they need tons of equipment to get strong, but that's the biggest lie in fitness. The real issue isn't what you have, it's knowing how to use it. We're keeping it simple, effective, and efficient. Let's go. We're starting strong with the legs, your biggest and most powerful muscle group. Why first? Because that's when your energy's fresh, and legs demand the most out of you. Hit them early, and you'll fire up your entire system, boosting testosterone, growth hormone, and your calorie burn for the rest of the workout. Now, walking lunges. Grab your dumbbells and hold them at your sides. Take a big step forward, slightly out to the side, chest tall. Lower that back knee just above the floor, then drive through your front heel and move right into the next rep. Keep your stride steady, not tightrope narrow. That's how you stay balanced and stable. Control every inch, don't rush it. Time under tension here is your best friend. Each lunge lights up your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, and hits your core too, since you're fighting to stay upright. This move builds muscle, balance, and strength. Go for 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps per leg. And here's the key: quality over ego. Perfect reps build power. Sloppy ones just build bad habits. Next up, the back. One of the most important muscle groups for posture, balance, and overall strength. And we're hitting it with one of the most effective moves in the game, the dumbbell row. Why this exercise? Because a strong back isn't just about looking wider, it's about function. It protects your spine, improves shoulder health, and builds the foundation for every pull, push, or lift you do. When your back is weak, everything else suffers. So let's do it right. Hinge at your hips. Keep your spine flat, your chest proud, and your core locked in tight like you're bracing for a punch. Let the dumbbells hang naturally under your shoulders. Now pull, but not straight up. Think about driving your elbows toward your hips, not your chest. That's how you actually engage your lats, instead of just your arms. At the top, pause and squeeze your shoulder blades together hard. That's where the muscle gets built. Then, lower the weight with control. Don't let gravity do the work. Don't round your back. Don't shrug your shoulders. This isn't a trap movement, it's precision pulling. Keep your elbows close, chest proud, and eyes just a few feet ahead of you. Every rep should feel smooth, deliberate, powerful. Here's the value most people overlook. Rows aren't just for your back. They correct shoulder imbalances caused by too much pressing, like bench, push-ups, machines. They stabilize your scapula, open your posture, and literally pull your body back into alignment. 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Control the tempo, 1 second up, 3 seconds down. You'll feel your lats, traps, and rhomboids all firing together like gears locking in sync. Now, let's hit the chest, one of the most popular muscle groups, for a reason. And the exercise is dumbbell chest press. A strong chest isn't just about size, it's about stability and power across your entire upper body. When you press, push, or even carry, your chest and shoulders are the ones driving the movement. Okay, grab your dumbbells and lay back on the bench. Feet flat on the floor, stable base, shoulders pinned back. That setup protects your joints and locks you into a strong pressing position. Now lower your elbows slightly below shoulder level, not wide, not flared. Keep your wrists stacked directly over your elbows and drive the dumbbells up in a straight line. At the top, bring the weights together, don't crash them. Squeeze your chest, hold for a second, and then lower slowly. 3 seconds down, full control. Here's the key: the lowering phase is where the muscle actually grows. Most people rush it. You shouldn't. Think tension over tempo. You're not just moving weight, you're creating resistance your body has to adapt to. This one exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps all at once. But it also teaches you how to stabilize your upper body under load. That means better posture, stronger pressing power, and fewer shoulder issues long term. And here's a bonus tip most lifters ignore. Keep your shoulder blades glued to the bench from start to finish. If they lift off, you lose stability, and your shoulders take the hit. Stay tight, stay grounded, and make every rep count. 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Focus on control, not just effort. Feel the chest stretch at the bottom and squeeze hard at the top. Time to hit the shoulders, and the exercise will be shoulder press. Strong delts don't just look powerful, they are powerful. They're what give your frame that broad, athletic look. Grab your dumbbells and sit or stand tall, no slouching. Lift the weights so your elbows are just below shoulder height. This is your launch position. Before you even move, lock your core tight, engage your glutes, and pin your shoulder blades slightly back. That's how you protect your spine and isolate the delts. Now press the dumbbells straight up and slightly in toward each other at the top. Don't slam them together, just meet them with control. Then lower down slowly. Think 3 seconds down, smooth and steady. That's where the muscle gets carved. And here's the detail most people miss. If you lean back or arch your lower back, you're no longer training shoulders, you're just turning it into a chest press. Stay upright, ribs down, abs braced. Your body should be solid, only your arms move. You'll feel the fire deep in your front, side, and rear delts. This isn't just a shoulder pump, it's stability training for your entire upper chain. 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps, with perfect form and controlled tempo. Focus on the squeeze at the top and the slow fight on the way down. Next up, the classic bicep curls. Simple move, right? But here's the truth. Most people get it wrong. They swing, they rush, they turn it into a shoulder exercise. So let's fix that. Stand tall, dumbbells at your sides, palms facing in. Now, before you even move, lock your elbows close to your torso, engage your core, and pull your shoulders slightly back. That setup isolates your biceps and keeps the tension where it belongs. Now curl. As you lift, slowly rotate your palms upward. That twist is called supination, and it's what fully activates the bicep. At the top, squeeze hard like you're trying to crush a coin in the crease of your elbow. Then lower down with control, 3 seconds, full stretch, no drop. Alternate arms, but keep your tempo consistent. Each rep should look identical, clean, smooth, intentional. Your biceps don't just flex your arms, they also stabilize your elbows and shoulders during pulling movements. So, building stronger biceps actually improves your rows, your pull-ups, and your overall arm control. Don't swing your hips, don't throw your shoulders. If the weight's moving faster than your muscle, it's too heavy. 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps per arm, full range, perfect control. You'll feel your biceps light up from the inside out, that deep burn that tells you the muscle's working, not your joints. And finally, the triceps, the muscle that gives your arms real shape, power, and definition. With this exercise, you only need 1 dumbbell. So hear me out. Everyone talks about biceps, but your triceps make up 2/3 of your upper arm. If you want bigger arms, you need to focus on your triceps. No question. Here's how to do it. Grab 1 dumbbell, hold it with both hands, and lift it overhead, elbows close to your ears, not flared out. That setup isolates the muscle and protects your shoulders. Now lower the weight behind your head slowly, by bending only at the elbows. Feel that stretch? That's the long head of your tricep taking all the tension. Then drive the dumbbell back up and squeeze hard at the top like you're trying to lock your elbows through the ceiling. Keep your wrists neutral and your core tight, no arching, no leaning back. This move isn't about chasing heavy weight, it's about mastering control through a full range of motion. And here's the part most people miss. The stretch at the bottom is just as valuable as the squeeze at the top. That's where you build length, mobility, and strength that actually carries over into your presses, push-ups, and dips. You'll feel this one light up the entire back of your arm, deep, focused, and clean. 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Stay smooth, stay steady, and own every inch of the movement. And if you prefer bodyweight exercises that can build your body at home, check the video on the screen, and I'll catch you in the next one.